All of you join again because there is some problem. So I am disconnecting this. So all of you join again.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
So on the
audible?
same ID. So with the same
Okay.
ID.
Yes, yes, same ID. Yes, yes. I'm audible to everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir है. I'm audible. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope all of you have received your laptop now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No one, sir. No one.
Not yet, sir.
Okay. So last class I have discussed that projection of points, projection and first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, last to last class, first class I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in last class we completed that
Sir, your voice is not.
lettering, na? Lettering we have completed.
Yes, sir.
Completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, like whatever we have learned in first class, that was projection, na? You know, like what is first angle of projection, second angle of projection, third angle of projection, fourth angle of projection, right? So can you see the presentation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So na, like there was one horizontal plane and there was one vertical plane. When you're keeping your object in first quadrant and looking from the front and top, how you will see that horizontal plane, like there was one reference line also, XY line. Do you remember that? It's better I will show you. Just check it is open or not. Just wait 1 minute. I think I have saved, so you can see that. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes. So let me check where it is. It's not working properly. This is your further subject. Yes, it is here. Yes. 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 You can see this now. This we have learned now.
Yes, sir.
If you know this, then you can complete all the remaining sheet, whatever we will do in coming classes, or I can say in this semester. In throughout the subject, if you know this concept, now you can do all you can all do all the problems. You just need only some explanation, fundamentals. So this is the one of the fundamentals concept that you need to do. Okay, you can see now this one. Just I will ask you. You can tell me. This is in our first quadrant. When you are keeping your first quadrant, do you remember the rule? What was the rule?
Yes, sir.
Vertical is always
Yes, sir.
constant and
What
horizontal moves in clockwise.
vertical? Yes. Vertical plane is fixed. Horizontal will move by 90-degree in
90
clockwise
degree
sense.
clockwise.
Yes, 90-degree clockwise. So using that rule that we have created, this is first quadrant, right? This is first quadrant. This is for second quadrant. This is for third quadrant. This is for fourth quadrant. Means this is XY line, right? When you are keeping your object in first quadrant, vertical plane will be above XY and horizontal plane will be. This is just a quick revision, right? Vertical plane will be above XY line and horizontal plane will be below XY line, right? Similarly, in second quadrant, you can say both the planes will be above XY line. So I have explained that time. I have taken more than 1.5 hours. Okay, so I'm not going to explain that. Just a quick revision is this. This is just a quick revision. Okay. Similarly, if you are in third quadrant, okay, so you can see horizontal plane is above XY line and vertical plane is below XY line. And in fourth quadrant, vertical plane as well as horizontal plane both are below XY line. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will start the presentation. You can see you are having one. Some of you are making noises. Please. Okay. Today network is very bad. I don't know why it is happening. Okay. So So you can see, I have sent you in the group one PDF file that contains all the sheets, exercises, sheet number 1, sheet number 2.
Yes, sir.
So you can open that also, and same thing I have pasted here also. You can see, right? So here you can see, projection of point. What you are getting first? Can you tell me what you are getting from this title, projection of point? If I'm saying projection of point, what you are getting from this? Meaning of this? You know projection, na?
Yes, sir.
प्रोजेक्शन पता है? प्रोजेक्शन सबको पता है ना क्या होता है?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Now you know the projection. Okay, like if there is any object you're looking from the front and top, simply you say like there is one object, you switch on your torch and whatever shadow will come behind, or you can say when you're looking the object, any object from the top and front. Okay, how you will look at that is nothing but projection. Okay, so we will go to, before going to first question, I will go to second question. Okay, you complete second question, then you can do question number 1 easily. Okay, so now we are coming to question number 2. So projection of point means there are points. Okay, point is object, na? Point can be object. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes, sir.
this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant. You can see now I'm writing something.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant, right?
fourth quadrant.
So yes, so projection of point means when you are keeping your object in first quadrant. So you know that now this is 2D, but you imagine that this is a 3D, because okay, this is your vertical plane, this is horizontal plane. Assume like that. So first quadrant, in that first quadrant, there is a object called point, right? Now there are different duration. Point can be kept in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. And in that, if you are keeping your object first quadrant, there can be different position. Na? It can be like, if you know the coordinate, you suppose if a point is 10 mm above the vertical plane, 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. So that can be one orientation. I can also say like point is 10 mm above the horizontal plane, but it is lying in the vertical plane. Can I say that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can
Okay.
you repeat it?
Yes, sir.
Can you
Sir, can you
repeat
repeat
once again?
last
Yes, yes,
3
yes.
to 4?
Yes, I am repeating. See, I am saying there can be different orientation of that point. Na? Any point you are
Yes, sir.
here our focus is on points, because we have taken points. We are going to see the projection of points. Okay, point can be kept anywhere in this coordinate. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. But see, this is not actual picture. This is because this is 2D. But you can imagine like this is 3D. Na? This is vertical plane. This is horizontal plane. Right. I am saying, suppose this point is kept in first quadrant. So can I say when it is first quadrant, point is 10 mm above the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm
Yes,
saying like that, it is in first quadrant. If I'm saying point is above the horizontal plane, but it is behind the vertical plane by some distance. So now it will be second quadrant. When I'm saying point is below the horizontal plane and behind the vertical plane, then it will be third quadrant. If I'm saying below the horizontal plane but in front of the vertical plane, then it will be fourth quadrant. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is enough. Now see, you should see, you cannot remember how you will solve all these question. Okay, but what is better for this, you just know the concept, and any question is coming, try to visualize them. विजुलाइज
Excuse
करो,
me, sir.
उसको देखो कहाँ पे रख. Yes, yes.
Can you show animation, because it is quite difficult for understand to me that for imagination.
Okay, just wait. I'm coming there. See, suppose I'm taking first quadrant, right? This is first quadrant, right? So you can see this is your what this is. Here space is less, so I will come there. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose this is your horizontal plane. Okay. Just you have to visualize. Okay. And you can. It is better to draw like this. Okay. And suppose like this. Okay. This is your vertical. This is your vertical plane. Can you visualize now? This is horizontal plane. This is vertical plane. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Or I can also draw like this just to get more clarity. Okay, you can think like this. Okay, this is vertical plane. This is horizontal plane. See, this is space, right? Point can be kept anywhere in this. Okay, here also. Suppose I am saying above horizontal plane, there is one point here in space, and in front of the vertical plane there is some point, one point. There is a one point. I can say point is 10 mm, 10 mm above the horizontal plane, and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. So point can be somewhere here. Hello, can you see this?
Yes.
This
Yes,
point
sir.
is in space. Okay, this point is in space. Now you see from this side. If you're looking from this side, projection of this point or shadow of this point on which plane you will see?
Vertical.
Vertical plane. So that is, you will get one point here, and whatever the distance from horizontal plane is there, you distance you will see in the in the vertical plane.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I'm saying, if you're looking from the top, you will see the projection on which point, on which plane?
Horizontal.
Horizontal plane.
Horizontal.
Horizontal
Okay,
plane.
and whatever the distance of this vertical plane from the this point, whatever the distance of this point from vertical plane, or can I say from xy line? I have explained, you know, there is common line to these two planes, that is known as xy line.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes.
so this distance you can show in which plane? Horizontal plane, na?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
and this
Yes, sir.
distance you can see in front in front view. Okay, on vertical plane. So like this you have to assume. Okay, similarly in second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, okay, and fifth quadrant you can see. Okay, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I am coming to, just wait, this is very easy, just you have to visualize. First you visualize coordinate system, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, but not in 2D and 3D. Means there are two plane, horizontal plane and vertical plane. There is one horizontal plane, vertical plane is cutting that horizontal plane, then fourth quadrant will form. Is that clear? Fourth quadrant will form, and that is in space, right? Now what is the problem? See, draw the projection of the following points. Draw the projection of the question number 2. I'm reading. I'm reading question number 2. Draw the projection of the following points on the same ground line, keeping the projection 50 mm apart. The point is, what is the meaning of this point on the same ground line, keeping the projection? Means, see, there is how many part? A, B, C, D, E, F. 3 and 3. Total 6 number are there, na? 6 question is there, na? In 2. So, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Total 6 question is there. So meaning of this is point on the same ground line, keeping the projectors 50 mm apart. Means you will draw one big xy line. Just wait. You can see. We'll draw one XY line, big XY line. Okay. And separately, you will do question number A here. Okay. And then question number B. And between question number A and B, distance should be 50 mm. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का A करेंगे तो यहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे, B का यहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे, C का यहाँ ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो कितने डिस्टेंस पे ड्रॉ करेंगे? 50 mm का. बस ये क्वेश्चन का मतलब यही है. Yes. Now
So we have to draw this XY line at any place.
yes, any place you can do. Okay. See, now we have to follow that rules that I've told you. See, question number 2A. Point is, see, the point is 40 mm below the HP. First, you tell me the which quadrant is that. The point is
Third quadrant.
okay. I'm reading. The point is 40 mm below the HP and 30 mm behind the VP.
Third
How many of you are getting?
Third quadrant.
It is third quadrant.
Third
quadrant.
Third quadrant.
So now I'm drawing that one. So see, this is 2D. Okay, you can assume now. This is one horizontal plane. This is one vertical plane. Hello.
yes, sir.
Yes,
So now 40 mm below the HP. 40 mm below the HP means somewhat here you are having, right? Some point is here, and HP and 30 mm behind the VP. Okay, so this is what? This is 40, na? Hello, this is 40.
Yes, sir.
And what is this distance?
30.
30.
Now, if you are looking from the front projection will come on which plane?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
35.
Sir, can you show this in that animation way, because it's very difficult to understand, sir.
Okay. Let me come again there. Try to visualize, okay, because it is very simple. It is not that much difficult. If you have attended first class now, then it should be very easy. See what I'm saying. See, suppose this is one plane. Like this is horizontal plane, and you can think like this. This was third quadrant, na? The third quadrant means you will have vertical plane here. Can you see that? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Third quadrant means what? Third quadrant is this, not this one. So this is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane. So vertical plane you will have like this. Can you see now? जस्ट थोड़ा समझना है, ठीक है, पूरा प्रॉपर्ली ड्रॉ नहीं किए हैं. अब इनके बीच में अब क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर सकते हो? आई एम नॉट
40 mm below HP.
40 mm बिलो एचपी मतलब कहीं पॉइंट यहाँ पे होगा एक, ठीक है. और इन फ्रंट ऑफ वर्टिकल प्लेन, in front of vertical plane, behind the vertical plane,
So behind, yes.
30 mm behind the vertical plane.
30 mm behind.
30 mm, right? So this is this distance is given, and from this plane this distance is given. Okay, so now you think there is one vertical plane. It is better you just wait for 1 minute. Wait. Okay, can you see me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now your duty is to repeat the question. See, this is can I say let me take it off. Can I say this is your horizontal plane, and this is your vertical plane. Hello, can you
Yes,
see
sir.
this now?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your third quadrant, na? This is your third quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? If
Yes.
this is your if this is your third quadrant, right? So can you tell me, point is somewhat here, na? Somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Point is
Yes,
somewhere
sir.
here. I cannot. Okay, you can see like this. Point is somewhere here. Now I'm saying you see this point from the front. When you are looking from the point from the front, you will see one projection here
Yes,
on
sir.
this vertical plane.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now, and I already have explained in first class. Assume this plane is transparent where when you are in third quadrant, right? When this plane is
Yes, sir.
transparent, what will happen? When this any point is here and you're looking from the top, you will get projection on this plane,
Yes, sir.
vertical
Yes, sir.
plane,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
right? So that's what I'm
Yes,
telling.
sir.
Means like this. See what we are going to do in all the problems in this sheet. This is first quadrant, right? This is first quadrant, ना? देख सकते हो first quadrant है ये.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is your second quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is your
Yes, sir.
third, and this is your fourth, right? When you are coming to the first quadrant, in this space, if there is any point, and looking from the top and front, and you are drawing the projection. That's all. I think now you can visualize all the problem, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, we will see, and if there is any problem, we will come again. I will show you. Okay, so you can come to the question again. What is first question? First question you can see now 40 mm below the SP and 30 mm behind the VP. So first you should know the rules. If it is third quadrant, in third quadrant above XY, which plane you are having? In third quadrant.
Horizon.
If you come here, you can see now I have told you. If you're in third quadrant, this is XY plane, XY line, and this is SP and this is VP. Are you getting this now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you come here again. You come. Okay, you just keep that in mind. So we will draw this. I will show you how to draw. So you can see this now. This is your first question. No. I think this is wrong. First, okay. Oh, this is second question. No, second. We are starting second. No?
Yes, sir.
We have started second question. And that is correct. So this is one. Maybe some mistake will be there. Then we will rectify that. This is two. So you can see this one. No? This is your XY line. This green. This is one XY line. You can see this.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
And this is part A. And this you cross in. You can. This is a point. This is a point. This is a point. So you can see above XY line there is SP plane in this for this problem for 2A. Above this
Yes.
one, this is SP and this is VP, right? For second one, this can be different. So now you tell me this 30 mm distance where you will see. If I'm saying point is
HP.
30 mm behind the VP. So behind the VP means you will see in the SP now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
If you're looking from the top. So this is your top view or front view?
The top view.
Good.
Top view, sir.
यस वेरी गुड. और एक चीज ये भी देखो, ये क्या ए लिखा हुआ है ना यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे क्या ए डेस लिखा हुआ है ना.
Yes,
जहाँ
sir.
पे डेस लिखा हुआ, जहाँ पे डेस होता है क्या होता है, वो फ्रंट व्यू होता है. इतना याद रखना. ठीक है. सो दिस इज 30 एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दिस क्वेश्चन 40 mm below the HP. 40 mm below the HP you will see in which view?
VP.
VP. and in front view में दिखेगा. बस ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करना है. वन क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गया तुम्हारा.
सर
I hope
A
you-
dash क्या बोल रहे हो?
See, it is denoted like when you're looking from the top now. Suppose there is a point A. When you're looking from the top, you will see you will show by point A. But when you're looking from the front, that is called elevation. you will denote that point by A days. Okay, जहां पे A है मतलब टॉप से देख रहे हैं, बट अगर जहां पे A days लिख दिए मतलब फ्रंट से देख. This is just a standard way. Okay,
Okay, sir.
are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So first question, आप समझ में आ रहा है क्या कर रहे हैं ना, मतलब पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में रखा हुआ है, फ्रंट से देख रहे हैं, टॉप से देख रहे हैं, और कहाँ पे जाएगा ये हमें ध्यान रखना है, किस कोऑर्डिनेट में है. उस कोऑर्डिनेट में अगर रूल अप्लाई करेंगे तो एसपी ऊपर रहेगा कि नीचे रहेगा, बीपी ऊपर रहेगा, या दोनों प्लेन में ऊपर रहेगा नीचे रहेगा. ठीक है, ये देखना है बस, और फिर उसको ड्रॉ कर देना है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस.
Yes, sir.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अब आते हैं फर्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन में. व्हाट इज सेकंड क्वेश्चन? 25 point is 25 mm above the HP. 25 mm above the HP and 35 mm behind the VP. And 35 mm behind the VP. Which quadrant it is? Second quadrant.
Second.
So can you tell me the can you tell me the rule? Can you tell me what is the rule? In second quadrant, if you are having second quadrant, okay.
Both.
Second quadrant is what?
One
Both
side, both.
horizontal plane
Both above the XY line.
Both.
Above the XY line.
above the XY line, right? So you can see here na, both the projection also above XY line. Hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you can see this one. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is A we have completed. Now this is V we are doing. Okay, so and you can see the distance is given 25 mm above the SP and 35 mm behind the SP, and both distance also, if both the projection of above XY line, then both distance also we will see in above XY line. So you can see 1.825, 1.81, 1.835. Are you getting this or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you one thing. I'm drawing, suppose I'm drawing this separately here. One point is here, 25. Suppose this is your XY line. Okay. Can I draw that 35 by 35 point here? It is in 35.
No,
This is
sir.
XY line.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, because when you will fold the paper, na, you will when you will follow the rule, point will come above that point, na. I hope you are
They will
getting it.
coincide.
Okay. You have to be, yes, very good. So this is very simple. Okay, if I already have told you, if you are visualizing, then it is very easy. If you are not visualizing, then it will be very difficult. Okay, so that's why I have shown all the I have presented this first class through video. Okay, like I have explained through video. I have switched on my video and explained everything. Okay, now you have to visualize that as okay. Now we are coming to the third question. What is third question? See, in the HP means point lying in the HP. Are you getting this? Point is in the HP plane. Hello?
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes, sir.
SP and 30 mm behind the VP. And 30 mm behind the VP.
Second quarter.
Second quadrant on the
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
On the SP.
Yes. अब सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है?
Both plane upside.
Both are above the XY line.
Second,
Both above. Both above X.
both the above XY line. So you can see. अब यहाँ पे एक वीडियो में देखो ये वीडियो. दिस इज योर विच प्लेन? हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. एंड दिस इज योर वर्टिकल प्लेन, राइट? दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm telling you. So this is this one. Okay, this is your horizontal. Suppose, okay. So point is already here in this horizontal plane, and here is a vertical plane. ठीक है. अब दोनों प्लेन ऐसे हो जा रहा है. अब एक तो पॉइंट इसी प्लेन में है, एंड वेर लुकिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, तो हमारा जो XY लाइन है दोनों प्लेन के में जो कॉमन है, क्या उसका प्रोजेक्शन XY लाइन पे आ जाएगा क्या?
हाँ, sir.
No, sir.
और
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
फिर से एक बार देखना, ध्यान से समझना. दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. This is your vertical plane, right? And between these two planes, when I'm connecting, you can see that there is one common line. That line is known as XY line. right?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes, sir.
line is known as XY line. तो ये XY line है. According to rule, both plane will coincide. Is it clear?
Yes.
हेलो, अभी बताओ ये यहाँ पे ऐसे है. अब पॉइंट, एक पॉइंट जो पॉइंट है यहीं पे लाई कर रहा है इस प्लेन में, यहाँ पे है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Like point lying in the HP and behind the VP distance is given, na? Behind
Yes,
the
sir.
VP distance is given 30 mm. So
Yes, sir.
distance of this point from this VP, from this VP is given how much? 30.
30.
अब जो पॉइंट यहाँ पे है, हाँ, whatever point you are having here, ठीक है, and you are looking from the front, जब फ्रंट से देखेंगे तो उसका प्रोजेक्शन XY लाइन पे ही आएगा क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can see, in this now, you can see in this here, you can see this is the point, right? You can see
Yes,
that this is C part. So this point you can see. Now it is also given a 30 mm behind the vertical plane. So 30 mm behind the vertical plane, you will see projection on which plane? If you're looking from the top. ठीक है, पॉइंट यहाँ पे है, लुकिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप, तो किस प्लेन पे प्रोजेक्शन आएगा तुम्हारा? Horizontal plane. और उसको तो रोटेट कर चुके हैं, ठीक है, उसको रोटेट कर चुके हैं, और इस पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस यहाँ से कितना दिया है? 30 दिया है, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से, वर्टिकल प्लेन से, वर्टिकल 30 दिया है ना डिस्टेंस, और बिहाइंड द वर्टिकल 30. रोटेट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? ये 30 ऊपर चला जाएगा. सो दिस वन. बात समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
The same ही रहेगा.
Yes,
Please
sir.
pardon,
Are
sir.
you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
दोनों
yes.
पॉइंट प्लेन पे लाई करेगा क्या?
एक बार फिर से समझते हैं,
कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है सर.
ध्यान से देखो, क्वेश्चनों को नहीं कंफ्यूज. पहले क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. क्वेश्चन पूरा एकदम क्लियर कर लो दिमाग में क्या है. पॉइंट लाइंग इन द HP, मतलब HP अगर कोई पॉइंट प्लेन में ही लाई कर रहा है तो आई विल से पॉइंट प्लेन में ही है. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इतना समझ में आ गया ना? ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे आ जाओ. अब इसको देखो ध्यान से, ठीक है, ये वर्टिकल प्लेन है, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन है, ठीक है. अब ये बताओ, अगर ये वर्टिकल है, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल है, तो एक पहला स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि पॉइंट HP में ही, मतलब पॉइंट यहाँ पे है, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
और दूसरा स्टेटमेंट क्या है? इट इज 30 mm बिहाइंड द VP, मतलब इस प्लेन से यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट है हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन में, तो डिस्टेंस कितना दिया हुआ है? 30 mm. अब हमको ये बताओ, जस्ट तुम्हारे साइड ऐसे मूव करके दिखा रहे हैं, ठीक है, राइट, यू कैन सी ना. अब बताओ,
Yes,
ये
sir.
ये वाला जो प्लेन है, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन है ना? दिस प्लेन इज हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन, राइट?
Yes, sir.
and this one is your vertical plane, this one, right? अब क्या हो रहा है कि when this point is here, so what is happening? When you are looking from the front, उसका प्रोजेक्शन कहाँ पे आएगा? जब वो प्लेन हॉरिजॉन्टल में ही है तो XY लाइन, मतलब प्लेन पे आ जाए. And whatever point is there, this is horizontal plane, and suppose this point is here, and this point from vertical plane behind the vertical plane is given how much?
30 mm.
30 mm.
30 mm.
And 30 mm. When you're looking from the top, so whatever point you are having here, you will see projection on this plane.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Horizontal.
अब रूल के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है? हमारा तो प्लेन तो ऊपर है दोनों, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो जो हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन से डिस्टेंस था, वही प्लेन ऊपर हो जाएगा, उतना XY प्लेन के ऊपर, XY लाइन के ऊपर हो जाएगा.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
वही तो यहाँ पे देखो, एक this point lying in the horizontal plane, right? And means this is which view? Front view or top view?
Front view.
This is front view or top view?
Front view. Front.
So this is front view. मतलब ये क्या C डैश हो गया, और ये क्या हो गया? C हो गया. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. We'll
I
write
think
either
now,
front view or top view.
yes, yes, see, yes, yes. No, no, no. You no need to write front view and top view. You just suppose question number 2A, na, to A days. A means what? A means top view. B means what? A days means what? Front
Front
view.
view.
मतलब अगर फ्रंट व्यू है तो डे से डिनोट करेंगे, टॉप व्यू है तो ए से डिनोट करेंगे, सिंपल, राइट?
Yes,
आर यू
sir.
गेटिंग
Yes,
दिस?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
all
sir.
of,
Yes, sir.
okay, all of you join again because this meeting is going to end. Okay,
okay, sir.
all of you join again.
Okay.
बोलते HB पेंसिल यूज करते हैं.
Not this one. No, HB pencil, that lead is also HB only, na? That one.
हाँ.
You press.
ओ होता.
What I use करता है?
उसको तो रहेगा.
No, lead to it. That is how. Otherwise, we'll keep on sharpening that. Na? What a lead is.
Anyway, এটা অটোক্রাটার করা যায়, ল্যাপটপ में तो पेंसिल.
না, ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ব্যাগ এরকমই করতে হবে।
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, so we have completed question number 3. We have completed now question number C, right? Similar question is there, but it is written in the HP and 40 in front of BP. So in which quadrant it is that?
First quadrant.
Quadrant.
Yes. So question number D, you can see. You can see like this. No? Only what change is here? Only plane. Like here, both planes are above XY line, but here you can say plane is changed. So okay. So you can see this. No? Question number D in the HP. So in the HP and 40 mm in front of BP. So what it means? Point is lying in the horizontal plane. If point is lying in the horizontal plane and you're looking from the top, from the front, you will get the projection on XY line. Is that clear? Now that should be clear.
Yes.
And it is saying 40 mm in front of the vertical plane. बस देखो इसमें पकड़ना क्या है? What is the catch point here? Like whatever distance is given na, that distance in which view you will see. If I'm saying 40 mm in front of vertical plane, in which view you will see this point? You will see this distance
Top view.
in front of top view. That's good. So if you're looking from the top view, so you can see like this. That point will go above here. Okay, that is 40. Okay, and top view will be matlab D days. That will be D days na. Wait. So
D na.
this is D, right? I'm correct. This is D na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Point is lying in the HP and you're looking from the front.
Then, sir,
D
D
dash.
dash.
Okay, yes, that will be D, na? That will be D dash and that will be D. Right?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Is it clear?
Opposite, sir.
Tell me, then what will happen?
Sir, D dash
Sir,
will come.
D. Yes. Sir.
I'm coming to question again. You see, point is lying in the horizontal plane and 40 in front of the vertical plane. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If point is lying in the HP and you are looking from the front, then projection will come on XY line.
What? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you're looking from the front, projection is coming on the XY line. Means whatever projection you are getting on XY line, that is what front view. The front view will be
Yes, sir.
D days, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
D days. So that is D days. That is now you are getting
Yes, sir.
sir.
you are
Yes,
getting it.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now when you are looking from the top, when you are looking from the top, hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When you're looking from the top, you will see this one, no? 40 distance above XY line.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Now, question number E, 30 above the horizontal plane. You just see, point is 30 above the horizontal plane and in the BP. What is the meaning of in the BP?
In
Vertical
vertical
plane.
plane.
35 mm.
Point lying on the vertical.
Yes, point is lying in the VP, vertical plane. Right. So, in which quadrant we can say?
First.
First. Okay. So, when point is lying in the BP and you are looking from the top, where you will get the projection?
XY line.
Yes, very good, very good. XY line, yes, very good. When I'm looking from the top and when I'm looking from the front,
HP on the
HP. HP.
when I'm looking from the front, when I'm looking from the front,
VP.
VP, sir.
yes, you will get on VP. And that XY line you are saying now that you're looking from the top and you will get the position on XY line. That is on HP. That XY line was in HP, you can say, right?
Oh, yes.
But you are looking from the front, then you will get on VP.
Vertical.
You can see here same. Yes, you can see this one. There's no 35. Yes, you can see this one. You can see now. This is horizontal plane. This is vertical plane, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is which view? This is a top view, na? This
Yes,
one is a top view. Top view means E, and this is a front view, E dash.
Dash.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, and E, it can be first quadrant and second quadrant both.
yes, both, but we prefer one. Okay, two भी दिखा सकते हो, वो भी draw कर सकते हो. I'm getting what you're saying. Okay, but I have told you na like that you can do no problem. That also you can do. I have taken your first quadrant, so that's why I have shown you like this. If you are doing that, then you have to show that it will be interchanged, but you have to show each and everything properly. Where is horizontal plane, which that will be only some changes will be there. Na? First to fourth means what? BP and HP will be interchanged. Are you getting it?
Sir, second one, both will be above the XY line.
Sir, it's second quadrant you are showing.
Which one question you are saying?
Fifth one only.
RT.
D, no? Yes, in the HP and 40.
So, sir, so it
in front
can
of the
be in
BP.
second
Yes, sir.
quadrant also, no?
Yes. In the HP means whatever. See, like when point is lying in the BP or SP, no? So there can be confusion. So you can do whatever you want, but whatever you are doing, you show it properly. That's it. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see question number F, 2F. In the HP and in the VP. मतलब क्या होगा, क्या इसका मतलब क्या होगा? Point lying in both the plane.
Sir, X Y line.
मतलब
सर एक्स वाई लाइन पे लाई कर रहा है.
पॉइंट एक्स वाई लाइन पे लाई कर रहा है. फ्रंट से देखेंगे तो भी एक्स वाई लाइन पे आएगा, टॉप से देखेंगे तब भी एक्स वाई लाइन पे
अभी
आएगा.
एक्स वाई लाइन पे ही आएगा.
Yes, means you will get only one projection.
Yes, sir.
VPHP. Are you getting it? ये
Yes,
करना है.
sir.
इसको तुम अपना A4 साइज पेपर पे इसको ही करोगे पूरा, ठीक है. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 तुम्हें खुद से, दैट इज योर एक्सरसाइज. आई विल नॉट टेल एनी सिंगल पॉइंट ऑन दिस. यू विल अपलोड एंड मार्क्स विल बी गिवन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस. ओके, जस्ट देख सकते हो, सोल्यूशन है, तुमको सोचना भी है. यू कैन टेक स्नैपशॉट ऑफ दिस आल्सो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है क्या, बस देख, एक बार स्क्रीन कर. यस यस यस. देखो थोड़ा सा वहां डिफरेंट है, वहां पे ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है किस प्लेन में है. देखो, ड्रॉ द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट्स एज द फॉलोइंग एंड स्टेट इट्स पोजीशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू रेफरेंस प्लेन. अब ये बोल रहा है कि टॉप व्यू इज ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. देखना, ये नहीं बोल रहा है कि एबव और बिलो, ये बोल रहा है कि टॉप व्यू ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. आर यू गेटिंग इट? एंड
Yes, sir.
in front view 40 mm above एक्स वाई लाइन. तो जस्ट उसको ड्रॉ कर दो. ये बोल रहा है कि टॉप व्यू ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन है, ठीक है. तो एक लाइन हम ड्रॉ कर लिए, ये देख रहे हो ना, दिस इज एक्स वाई लाइन. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
दिस इज एक्स वाई. तो ये बोला कि टॉप व्यू मतलब एक पॉइंट हम ड्रॉ कर दिए, दैट इज ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. और ये क्या टॉप व्यू है, तो टॉप व्यू को किससे डिनोट करेंगे? ए से डिनोट करेंगे.
Yes.
हेलो,
Yes.
एंड नाउ इट इज सेइंग फ्रंट व्यू 40 mm above एक्स वाई लाइन. तो 40 above एक्स वाई लाइन, तो फ्रंट व्यू एडेस हो गया. ये बताओ VPHP दोनों ऊपर होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
समझ में आ गया.
Yeah.
तो डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. अब देखो फिर से देखो, एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या दिया हुआ है, टॉप व्यू ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. चलो एक पॉइंट, एक लाइन आ गया एक्स वाई लाइन. यू कैन सी दिस ना, एक्स वाई लाइन पे एक है. एंड फ्रंट व्यू 25 mm बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन. तो बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन आ गया, तो ये फ्रंट व्यू हो गया बी डेस, ये बी. आप कौन सा एचपी या कौन सा बीपी पता कर सकते हो क्या इस तरह से? मतलब
Yes, sir.
तुमको ये पॉइंट दिखाना है और VP HP कहाँ पे, क्या क्या?
सर ये वाला नहीं पता लगा पा रहे सर,
बोलो,
कैसे
बोलो.
HPVP हो.
अच्छा अच्छा, ये देखो देखो क्या बोला कि टॉप व्यू एक्स वाई लाइन पे है. चलो टॉप व्यू एक्स वाई लाइन पे आ गया, ये क्लियर है ना?
Yes, sir.
दिस वन टॉप व्यू. ओके, नाउ यू कम हियर एंड फ्रंट व्यू 25 mm बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन. अब ये देखो कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आ रहा है, पहले ये देखो कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आ रहा है. टॉप व्यू ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन पे आ रहा है,
Sir, fourth
और
quadrant.
फ्रंट व्यू है 25, फ्रंट व्यू है 25 mm बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन. अब बताओ, थर्ड में हो सकता है, फोर्थ में हो सकता है, किस में हो सकता है?
Fourth quadrant.
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट बोल रहे हो, ठीक है. तो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है हमारा? फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है?
दोनों बिलो XY लाइन.
क्या होता है फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में?
Both horizontal and vertical plane below the XY line.
But here, yes, see. But can I also say like this is in third quadrant? ये भी तो possibility हो सकता है ना?
ये सर थर्ड फोर्थ दोनों हो सकता है सर.
हो सकता है. So थर्ड में करो या फोर्थ में करो, दोनों में करो, बट को भी करो, अच्छे से दिखाना है. तो यहाँ पे अगर थर्ड एज्यूम करेंगे, थर्ड में क्या होता है? हॉरिजॉन्टल पेन ऊपर होता है, वर्टिकल पेन नीचे होता है.
Yes, sir.
हेलो, तो वहीं पे यहाँ पे वही हुआ है, देखो. इज इट क्लियर?
ठीक है, क्वाड्रेंट पहले सर पता लगाना है किसमें.
पहले क्वाड्रेंट पता करो, वहां से पता चल जाएगा कौन एसपी कौन वीपी. सिमिलरली उस पे आ जाओ, सी पे, टॉप व्यू एंड फ्रंट व्यू बोथ लाई ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. जैसे यहाँ पे देखे ना क्वेश्चन नंबर एफ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का एफ जो देखे थे हम लोग, ठीक है. एंड सिमिलरली हियर आल्सो टॉप व्यू एंड फ्रंट व्यू बोथ लाई ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. मतलब क्या होगा? यहाँ पे तो तुम्हारा देख सकते हो बोनो, यहाँ पे तुम कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, यू कैन से लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एचपी बीपी ऊपर जा सकता है, बीपीएच भी ऊपर जा सकता है, ठीक है। अब सी ऊपर दिखाते हो कि सी डैश दिखाते हो, उससे डिसाइड हो जाएगा। इट इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, जब दोनों पॉइंट एक्स वाई लाइन पे लाई कर रहा है तो एक ही पॉइंट मिलेगा। अब इसके बाद में आ जाओ क्वेश्चन नंबर डी पे। चलो डी छोड़ते हैं, चलो डी पे देख लेते हैं। टॉप व्यू 40 mm above एक्स वाई लाइन एंड टॉप व्यू 40 mm above एक्स वाई लाइन एंड फ्रंट व्यू 30 mm below एक्स वाई लाइन। अब बताओ किस क्वाड्रेंट में है? टॉप व्यू है 40 mm है, above एक्स वाई लाइन है।
Second.
तो टॉप व्यू हम देख रहे हैं, हाँ देखो किस में आएगा बताओ। टॉप व्यू above एक्स वाई लाइन है, जब फ्रंट से देख रहे हैं तो 40 mm above आ रहा है, सॉरी टॉप से, ठीक है। तो सेकंड में क्या होता है?
सेकंड में आएगा।
Second quadrant.
थोड़ा उसको ध्यान से देखो। टॉप व्यू 40 mm above एक्स वाई लाइन, मतलब टॉप से देख रहे हैं तो जो व्यू हमारा आ रहा है दैट इज above एक्स वाई लाइन। तो वो किस प्लेन में होगा तभी एक्स वाई लाइन में आएगा?
Horizontal. Horizontal.
Horizontal, right? That's good. So that is okay. Now front view 30 mm below XY line, मतलब वो तो वर्टिकल प्लेन पे होगा तब। मतलब ये क्या हो गया? 40 वाला क्या होगा? 40 वाला जो है तुम्हारा क्या, ये कौन सा प्लेन हो गया? दिस वन
Horizontal.
तो दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड दिस इज वर्टिकल हो जाएगा क्या? दिस वन वर्टिकल। तो अब ये बता सकते हो इसे अब इसे बता सकते हो ना कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट है? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब remaining two question you all of you will do. I have given all the hints. Okay, so both question 1 and 2 all of you will complete. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you, when you're uploading in Google Classroom link, you know not to post in that group. You just upload there, it will be there. Okay, it is not going anywhere, it is uploaded. If it is you uploaded, then it is okay. Is there any doubt? You can ask me.
Sir,
Sir, can you repeat
can-
this one?
Repeat the
Sir, fourth one, D1.
D means part question number 1 or 2?
1D1 for D, sir.
1D. Okay, come. Question number D. Question number D. Just follow the line. Okay, top view 40 mm above X line. When you are looking any object from the top and it is coming above XY line, means it is on horizontal plane. Horizontal plane
Yes, sir.
के कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन पे रहा होगा, टॉप से देख रहे हैं, उसको रोटेट किए होंगे तो above XY लाइन चला गया होगा। समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अब या तो ये सेकंड में हो सकता है, थर्ड में हो सकता है, देखते हैं। एंड फ्रंट व्यू 30 mm बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन। जब बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन बोल देते तो क्या होता? मतलब कोई भी बिलो एक्स वाई लाइन फ्रंट व्यू है, मतलब बिलो हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन है, ठीक है। मतलब
हाँ,
क्या
sir.
हो गया? ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में है तुम्हारा।
Yes,
थर्ड
sir.
क्वाड्रेंट में है तो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में हमारा एचपी क्या होता है? ऊपर होता है,
हाँ,
एचपी ऊपर
ठीक
होता
है,
है एंड बीपी नीचे होता है। समझ में आ गया?
हाँ,
how
Yes, sir.
much would be the distance between
Okay, any other?
A and D? 50
What?
mm. Sir, what will take the distance? Means 50 mm or less? In the first question.
नहीं, whatever distance is given that you will take. Yeah, that you will take 50. You can take. See, but I have 50. We have assumed for okay, that big set paper. Okay, we do know A1 na. We take I think A3 A1 na. Okay, so
Yeah.
you are having A4 paper na. So whatever
Yes, sir.
convenience distance you can take. Okay, that is up to you. Between two question, according to you can take, so that you can accommodate all the question in that A4 set paper. Means in
Yes.
one line one question, in one line two question, second question. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. ओके
सर एक्स वाई लाइन ग्राउंडेड लाइन लेके समझने में थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है, तो फिर वॉल लेके समझ सकते हैं ना क्वाड्रेंट को।
हाँ समझ सकते हो, समझने में क्या दिक्कत है?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 को दोनों को सर एक ही पेपर में करना है सर।
हाँ 2 पेपर में कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके।
एक में करोगे तो एक में भी हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और
डेडलाइन क्या है?
डेडलाइन अभी क्लास खत्म हो रहा वही है।
और 2 बजे तक,
Are you getting it?
2:30।
हाँ अभी you are having now 1.5 hour, और आधा घंटा भी नहीं लगेगा करने में, ठीक है। तो मीटिंग क्लोज कर देते हैं, तुम लोग
सर,
करो जल्दी से, ठीक है।
Can you
नंबर
send the
जरूर,
link?
और देखो
सर क्वेश्चन तो नहीं ना लिखना
I have sent ना Google Classroom link,
Okay, sir. Sir, we have to
all of you are
upload.
in GCR ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I will upload, I will create that link, or you will see that,
सर A4 साइज में करना है सर।
okay? हाँ A4 साइज में।
क्वेश्चन
And see, I have एक नहीं क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखना है, केवल सॉल्यूशन।
Sir,
Sir,
we
यहाँ पे
want
2H और
points
HB
in the
कहाँ
same
use करना है?
cross and a circle.
देखो ये बताओ, no, you can see just by point, that is just for explanation. Point means you will draw like this, one point only like this,
Okay,
okay?
sir.
And one major important thing, yes,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, सर यहाँ पे
Yes,
हम लोग को
yes.
2H और HB पेंसिल कहाँ यूज करना है कि हम लोग सर
अभी
उन दोनों पेंसिल से कर सकते हैं?
अभी देखो यहाँ पे ए भी इसका समझ लो कैसे करते हैं। हमारा इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है?
पॉइंट्स।
ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? पॉइंट है ना। तो जो पॉइंट है ना उसको हम ब्राइट रखेंगे, मतलब एजी पेंसिल यूज करेंगे। बाकी जितना भी सारा है उसको 2S से करेंगे। आर यू गेटिंग इट?
यस सर, यस सर,
मतलब हमारा जो मेजर ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? पॉइंट है, तो पॉइंट
यस सर।
को एचबी से हम उसको ऐसे डार्क करेंगे, बाकी सारा
सर मैं सिंगल डॉट दे रहा है ना सर?
ठीक है। हाँ सिंगल डॉट देना, हाँ। और एक चीज और, इन गूगल क्लासरूम लिंक, like your name is showing now, you just try so that your name, your username, that whatever is there now, it should be with your roll number. Roll number should be there. Name is there, that is not problem, but roll number is like roll number 1901 or 204050, whatever is there. So roll number should come whenever I'm opening now. So for one student, name is not there, that is okay, but roll number should be there, proper roll number. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir. For A4 size sheet in the second question, they have asked to use 50 mm distance between the line.
Yes.
So keep it for A4 size.
I
as
told
well.
you na. I told you. This is no. I told you na. You keep according to you, so that you
Okay,
can fit all the question. That 50 we have taken for last sheet. Okay. In that we done in actually in class, offline class. Okay. Yeah, like A1 paper we take now. Yes.
Sir, first,
Yes.
means the picture you are showing here, like that we have to draw exactly like that in paper.
Yes.
A4 size.
But yes. Only will replace by this to this point, not cross like this. Okay.
Sir,
We have
And
to
you will
put
see
point.
every. Yes. And you write is this everything VP, HP, A days, A, where is days, where is not simple. Okay. You have to show like all those points, all those things.
And distance between the points also.
No need to show that. That is just a common sense.
Okay, sir.
Distance you will see. Yeah, the distance you will see 40, 25, 30, 50. You will show that. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
सर इन फर्स्ट वाले में हमको क्वाड्रेंट भी लिखना
So
है
you draw that and submit. नहीं कुछ नहीं लिखना है, बस VP HP लिख देना, उससे बहुत हो गया। ठीक है।
ओके सर।
हम when you have given all this information, हाँ बोलो।
Sir, both of them can be drawn on a single sheet.
Yes. Any other doubt?
Sir, can you share the question in Google Classroom?
Question I have shared na. Question I have shared in that. You can see now. You can see.
Sir, can we draw a cycle? Sir, can we draw a circle?
You can draw, but point is point, na. You can. What is problem in this? Like this, you can show like this, na.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Question. You can. I will again share that question in group. You can see.
I got it. Thank you.
सर दोनों क्वेश्चन बनाना या सिर्फ एक?
दोनों बनाना है. ये B5 है ना, ये B5.
सर दोनों को एक ही पेज पे बना दूं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक ही पेज बना सकते हैं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
सर
दो पेज से ही बनाना, दो पेज से मत बनाना. फिर क्या बोल रहे हो?
सर मैं बोला दो पेज से बनाने से चलेगा?
सर
चलेगा, बट क्यों दो पेज? क्यों दो बनाए?
ओके सर,
दो बनाओगे, क्यों बनाओगे?
पे बना दूंगा.
ओके सर,
हाँ
ओके सर.
हाँ. क्वेश्चन पे शेयर कर दिए. यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन. हाँ हाँ, मीटिंग लीव कर सकते हो. लीव कर दो और ट्राई करो, और सबको हम चेक करेंगे.
Sir, where you will send the question?
ठीक है, शांति से. I have sent the question on WhatsApp group. You can see.
Sir, when do we have to submit it?
Before 2. Before 2. Okay.
Sir, we will use the HP pencil for highlighting the points.
Yes, only point.
Sir, where's the link, sir?
Which link?
Sir,
First to
submit
complete
this.
that.
Okay, sir.
First to complete. No, I will give. First you complete. I told you, no, like you complete that one. I'm going to create
Sir, worksheet number 2.
that link. You have to submit. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so I am closing this meeting. Yes.
Sir,